because it's a morning, it's a beautiful morning today. So I'm at my balcony where I'm going to be starting the transformation. And this is the balcony, and I'm going to be showing you how the balcony looks like now. And then I'll be taking some measurements here because I want to put some items here, some deco. And then yeah, I'll show you the whole process. So welcome to my channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again. If you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always coming back and watching my videos. I really do appreciate that. And I just want to remind you guys, you can visit our channel because we have already uploaded 2 videos of this series of our house transformation. You can also go and check them out, like them, comment and share. So now I'm just going to be showing you how I'm going to be recording or measuring the balcony before I go and buy some items, the tufting grass, and then I want to cover this part area for some privacy. And I'll be putting some furniture here, the ones that can fit only, but I will know as I take the measurements.